Slate Shield, the finest lightweight slate installation process.
Prepare the roof deck as you would normally according to your local building codes. If the patented Slate Shield copper-clad drip edge with the pre-applied hooks is being used, nail it to the roof deck as you would any normal drip edge. Lay out horizontal and vertical chalk lines to ensure accurate placement of the Slate Shield panels and hook locations. Snap the first horizontal chalk line 14 inches up from the bottom edge of the starter slates. Snap successive horizontal chalk lines at 10-inch intervals, continuing up the roof deck to the ridge. Determine the width of the rake slates to locate the position of the first hook. From this point, snap the vertical chalk lines at 36 and 9/16 inch intervals, continuing along the length of the roof deck. For example, the first chalk line would be at 36 and 9/16 inches from the position of the first hook, the second at 73 and 1/8 inches, the third at 109 and 11/16, and so on. Place the under-eave slates, or starter course, in the hooks of the Slate Shield copper-clad drip edge from left to right, or nail the starter course depending upon your application. Place the first trim Slate Shield panel over the starter course, aligning the panel's top edge with the first horizontal chalk line at 14 inches. Ensure that the vertical chalk lines are always aligned with the right-hand hook side of the butterfly hook, and not centered on the eyelet position of the hook. Accurate layout and consistent placement of panels ensures an efficient, quality installation. Nail the Slate Shield panel in place with a single nail through the eyelet of each butterfly hook, using the provided 1 1/4 inch stainless steel ring shank nails. Place the next panel over the last portion of the previous panel, sliding the left edge beneath the last extender strip of the previous panel. Align the panel's top edge and hook with the horizontal and vertical chalk lines and nail the panel in place as before. Nail the first 14-inch rake slate in place over the Slate Shield panel as you would for a traditional nail-fixed installation. Slate Shield recommends traditional nailing for the rake, valley, hip, and ridge slates. Depending upon your application, either place the field slates in the hook along the bottom of the drip edge and between the hooks of the panel as shown here, or if the Slate Shield drip edge is not being used, nail the first course in place as a traditional nail-fixed installation. The top edge of the field slates should fit snugly against the slate retaining arm lock system of the butterfly hook. Return to the rake edge and place the second course Slate Shield panel over the top edge of the course below. Align the panel's top edge with the next horizontal chalk line and the panel's hooks with the vertical chalk line. Nail the Slate Shield panel in place as before with a single nail through the eyelet of each butterfly hook. Place the next panel over the last portion of the previous panel, sliding the left edge beneath the last extender strip. Align the panel's top edge and hook with the horizontal and vertical chalk lines, and nail the panel in place, continuing to the end of the roof. Repeat this process for subsequent courses till reaching the ridge. The Slate Shield product, really the benefits of our Slate Shield and patented butterfly hook are several. Cost factor, you're using relatively half the amount of slate, half the amount of materials, that's a cost saving. Being able to use a nail gun to put down the Slate Shield as opposed to hand nailing each one of the slates, for instance, the time in installation is greatly reduced. The elimination of the over nailing and under nailing, wind lift with the patented butterfly hook, that is the ultimate in protection from high wind and uplift. Repairs. We all have repairs on our roofs. By utilizing the retaining arm on the butterfly hook, the slate can simply be pushed up above the bottom hook, pulled out, and a new one placed in within minutes. By fixing and attaching each slate to the two slates beneath it with our butterfly hook, a totally integrated roof is achieved. No one slate can be lifted by hurricane force winds without the two beneath it being lifted. These two are in turn attached to the four beneath them ad infinitum. Results: the ultimate wind-resistant slate roof, unparalleled in safety and performance.
If you would like to learn more about Slate Shield or other Newmont products, please contact a member of our sales team. Thanks for watching.